too often when people take a job at a big law firm, they don't get a chance to jump right in and practice law. And it's not until you're there 2 or 3 years that you actually get involved in trial work or working directly with clients.
Well, the exciting part about a rural practice fellowship is you get to do real work right away. You will be able to meet clients. You will get to know the lawyers in the firm that you work at. Because you're in a rural setting, those lawyers are also ambassadors to the rest of the lawyers in the community. You'll get to meet the judges. You'll get to meet staff of the courthouses. And you really do get immersed in the community.
Within the first week of being sworn into the bar, I was in court. I had clients and I was talking to judges and I was working out negotiations. And I know for a fact that I have peers who ended up working for a big law firm in Chicago or New York and still haven't gotten to go into the courthouse, still haven't gotten to sit down with a judge, still haven't had the opportunity to make those connections.
Having the opportunity to research, having the opportunity to file subpoenas, to write motions, to do discovery, to really take on tasks that are really part of the actual practice of law.
I meet with the clients, I go to court, I write the briefs, I do it all. I like to compare us to the old Family Doctor. We do Grandma's will. Grandma passes away, we sell her house. So then we're doing some real estate. And then Johnny gets a DUI, so then we're going in on that. And then, a different family member might get divorced, so then we're doing family law.
The ISBA Rural Practice Fellows Program is an excellent opportunity to explore general practice, rural practice, and what life could be like outside of the major metropolises.
The benefits include networking with other rural attorneys and with ISBA attorneys in rural areas, ongoing continuing legal education so that we can make sure those new lawyers are learning about the areas that are specific to rural practice and where they might need additional mentorship and help.
It feels like a big commitment, I'm sure, to say I'll spend a summer or a year someplace, but in the scheme of a lifetime, it's not that long of a time and you might love it. And even if you don't, the type of practice and experience that you will have in a year of general rural practice where you're dealing with clients and you're in a courtroom, there's no behind the scenes work really. You're going to be actively involved, gaining invaluable legal experience. You will be all the more marketable even if you decide that rural practice isn't for you.